cut you, and scissors can poke you. Now, there's Microtouch Max, designed to go where razors and scissors shouldn't go. For safe, precise grooming.
Lexi up here chilling with the mama.
It's our latest trimmer with a built-in light to help you.
Nobody believes she likes to be petted.
Design gives you perfect control.
She is a totally different kitty when her mommy comes home.
Remove unsightly ear hair with just a touch. Empowering nose hair, gone like that. Sideburns straight and even. Mustaches and beards neat and clean. Got bushy eyebrows? Just snap on the guide and you're groomed to the max in seconds. Look at the difference. The new Microtouch Max grooms from head to toe and anywhere in between. Powerful enough for the tough stuff, yet gentle even on the most sensitive skin. It gets as close as a blade, yet is safe to the touch, guaranteed. The snap-on guide lets you control just how much hair is removed. Remove a little, a lot, or remove it all and show off that hard body. What a great way for women to keep the man in their life perfectly groomed. Or for moms who want to keep their kids looking neat and clean between haircuts. Microtouch Max replaces expensive trimmers like these and goes places they can't with micro precision for only $14.99. So avoid those razor cuts, put down the pointy scissors, and go with Microtouch Max, the safe, precise solution for always being groomed to the max. Call now and you'll also get our 10-piece grooming kit as a bonus.
She's a good girl. Yes, she's a good girl. Yes, she is. She's a mama.
You get the Microtouch Max and our 10-piece grooming kit. All